Types of meditation. Meditation is an umbrella term for the many ways to achieve a relaxed state of being. There are many types of meditation and relaxation techniques that have meditation components. All share the same goal of achieving inner peace. Ways to meditate include guided meditation, sometimes called guided imagery or visualization. With this method of meditation, you form mental images of places or situations you find relaxing. You try to use as many senses as possible, such as smells, sights, sounds, and textures. You may be led through this process by a guide or teacher. Mantra meditation. In this type of meditation, you silently repeat a calming word, thought, or phrase to prevent distracting thoughts. Mindfulness meditation. This type of meditation is based on being mindful, or having an increased awareness and acceptance of living in the present moment. In mindfulness meditation, you broaden your conscious awareness. You focus on what you experience during meditation, such as the flow of your breath. You can observe your thoughts and emotions, but let them pass without judgment. Qigong. This practice generally combines meditation, relaxation, physical movement, and breathing exercises to restore and maintain balance. Qigong is part of traditional Chinese medicine. Tai Chi. This is a form of gentle Chinese martial arts training. In Tai Chi, you perform a self-paced series of postures or movements in a slow, graceful manner while practicing deep breathing. Transcendental meditation. Transcendental meditation is a simple, natural technique. In this form of meditation, you silently repeat a personally assigned mantra, such as a word, sound or phrase, in a specific way. This form of meditation may allow your body to settle into a state of profound rest and relaxation and your mind to achieve a state of inner peace, without the need to use concentration or effort. Yoga. You perform a series of postures and controlled breathing exercises to promote a more flexible body and a calm mind. As you move through poses that require balance and concentration, you're encouraged to focus less on your busy day and more on the moment. Click the first link in the description to try shamanic attraction. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so it will notify you when I post a new video.